This is Chris from Aquatech-USA.com, and we're showing today the Water Maze Coag system. The way this system will work is from the wash area and the pit area. We have the water that comes off of the vehicles, goes into a sump pump after it's been through a trench drain and a little sump holding area with that screen to hold back the heavy debris. And then from that sump pump, we pump up into this 150-gallon holding tank. From this holding tank, we are going into the Coag system, Water Maze Coag system, which has a pump on here that pumps out of this tank into the Coag tank, which will do a pH treatment. You can see the pH control at 7.0, which is where we want to be. That's the optimum spot. It can be between 6.5 to 7.5. And then from there, when it pumps in two different chemicals, a Coag Plus and an EC Plus. And it goes through these stealth tubes to mix up and pumps into one of the two tanks on the Coag system. After it pumps in there, what it will do is it'll settle the water out, settle the solids out of the water itself, as you can see here. And the Coag treatment will let the heavy solids settle to the bottom on each of the tanks. It'll settle for a set time that we set the time for, and then it will purge off the tanks and send that fresh water, or that treated water, into the IPF system, which is an indexing paper filter. And from here, what it'll do is it'll run through the hold back the heavy solids and any of the dirt that we want filtered out, and oils and stuff, and then allow that treated water to pass through to a tank that's down below, which is down here. And from there, that tank will pump from that tank into with the Water Maze REC system, which has three different pumps on board. The first pump itself will pump over into the holding tank for the water to be reused. And this is a 1,000-gallon holding tank. And then what it'll do is it'll pressurize the water off of this holding tank, pressurize it to go into the pressure washer that they have here. And we put a small filter on there just to filter out any other solids to stop the float from over leaking. And then from here it goes down into the wash bag. This system also has a bio treatment system, which is called the PM1000, which is a pit management system. And on here we're injecting a bio bugs that will eat away the oils and any organics, and also a bio nutrient. This whole system here is in a truck garage, and if you need more information on the Water Maze or any other recycling systems, you can contact us at www.aquatech-usa.com.